Welcome to Good Taste, where style meets flavor, a video magazine matching what matters most, our homes and food on the table. I'm Jaye of Jaye Design, and I'll be your host. I'll create delicious food and cocktails that were inspired by specific interior designs and architecture. You'll get fun facts about different styles, one that might be yours or you dream about, and you learn how to make the dish or drinks that go with that style for a complete, flavorful presentation. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and connect with us on social media. Bon appetit!